Thank you. The man accused of intentionally hitting and killing Hamilton County Deputy Larry Henderson returned to court this morning.
Rodney Hinton Jr. remains in custody on no bond, charged with aggravated murder. WLWT News 5's Brian Hamrick was in the courtroom for Hinton's appearance this morning. Brian, tell us what unfolded there.
Yeah, Kelly, well, for the first time, Rodney Hinton Jr. faced a judge will have a key role in whether he lives or dies. Today, Jody Lubers told Hinton why he's facing the death penalty.
The aggravating circumstance in this case is that the offense was committed and that the victim, Larry Henderson, was a law enforcement officer and you had reasonable cause to know or knew he was a law enforcement officer.
Now, Hinton was arraigned on charges of aggravated murder, and felonious assault. This arraignment comes after he was indicted on Thursday. Hinton's accused of running down and killing Hamilton County Deputy Larry Henderson as he directed traffic at the UC graduation. Police say the day before, Hinton's son was armed and running from the scene of a stolen car when he was shot to death by a Cincinnati police officer. Prosecutors say Hinton had just seen body cam of that when he drove his vehicle into the deputy. Hinton's attorney, Clyde Bennett, said today his client is not guilty and it will be by reason of insanity.
It's not a complicated case. It's not a simple case, but it's not complicated. It's not factually complicated. I think the issue is his mindset, his mental status at the time of the offense. That's a straightforward, singular issue that can be resolved, I believe, by February.
Yeah, now February is the target date that they've set for the trial to begin. Next week, on Thursday, they have another hearing to try and see if the two sides can reach a point that they could actually have this trial in February. Reporting live, Brian Hamrick, WLWT News 5.
Brian, we know there are a lot of eyes on these court appearances. What was the atmosphere like in court today? Last arraignment, we know there was an outburst.
Yeah, a lot different than the last time. Very calm this time. But, Kelly, there were two security checkpoints. You had to go through that normal security checkpoint that you always do going into the Hamilton County Courthouse. There was also a secondary spot where you had to check in before you went into the courtroom. And, in fact, that one, anyone that was a spectator had to show an ID to get in there. That's something pretty unusual. We don't often see that here in Hamilton County. Kelly?
All right, Brian Hamrick reporting for us live this noon. Brian, we appreciate the updates. And, of course, you can learn more about